Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to cover guys how to clear app data in our Samsung mobile. Friends, you want to clear any app data in your Samsung phone. So how can you clear your app data in your Samsung phone? In this video friends, I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to clear your app data? So example guys, which app guys you want to clear data? First of all, choose this app. So example for guys, I will show you guys my game. This traffic radar guys I have downloaded, and guys I want to clear this app data guys. I will press on guys this my game, and first you can see this icon guys, tap here, then guys scroll it. First you can see mobile data setting guys, tap here, and guys you can see guys, so friends click on guys storage setting guys, tap here. Friends you can see guys, you clear data and clear cache. So friends you want clear cache, you can clear cache, and guys you can see clear data guys, tap here to okay your clear data. So this app data will clear in your Samsung phone. So friends you can use this app. So like that guys, you can clear your app data in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.